here we go. Right, you ready?
Yeah, ready.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 7 being the highest, what's your favourite letter of the alphabet and why?
Who thought of that question?
Answer it.
D for dog.
Oh, ladies, I couldn't use someone's umbrella, could I, to write an email? I'm getting soaked. No.
Hello? It's impossible to lick your own elbow. Look, watch. Just to let you all know that a bumblebee has 5 eyes. Imagine that. It is the hat of theirs. Read it out loud.
Sit next to someone and make a bottle of Coke and explode.
Yeah! Take your dare from the top hat of theirs. Now read it out loud. Read it out loud.
Tend to be picky in public.
Madam, can I get under your umbrella a minute to write an email? Oh, okay. Yeah. Excuse me, I couldn't borrow your umbrella a minute, could I? I've got to write an email, I don't want to get my phone wet. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. I'll be 1 minute, okay?
I can understand why you wouldn't want to go in that phone box.
Yeah, I don't like phone boxes, it smells a bit of wee.
Yeah. Well, it's probably a lot of wee.
Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate that.
Excuse me. There's 10,000 ants to every human. Just to let you two guys know, an average woman in 5 years can do a height in lipstick. Nice lipstick. Snails have over 25,000 teeth. What's the first thing you'd do if you was a woman?
Wear women's clothing.
Lovely. Bit of a hard question, this one. I don't know if I could answer this, but you ready?
Yeah.
In over 10 words, what does water taste like?
It can taste very salty if it comes from the sea.
Okay, this is not like a question in a way. It's more of a challenge. Are you ready for the challenge?
No.
Yes, you are. Right, we've got to do a Mexican wave with our eyebrows. Go.
I can't.
Oh, we've just noticed that this girl's really good at doing a Mexican wave with her eyebrows, and we've got to get her in the video. Go. Yes!